here, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair right here. Doesn't this hair look familiar, you guys? I did a similar video to hair that was similar to this, but this is actually from another Amazon store. So as always, all the links will be in the description box. I believe this is about 20 to 22 inches. You guys know when I get new hair, I like it long. The longer the better. Yeah, I'm actually really feeling this. As always, like, all the hair I get is really good quality. They are synthetic wigs, but you guys look at this wave and shine. Super pretty. I love that. And I'm gonna go ahead so you guys can see the back and how long it is. Look at that movement. Super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the inside of the wig so you guys could get a little bit more detail. So here is the packaging for the wig. I love this little writing, fashion, shape, clothes, and it says all these different little sayings, and at the top it says style. Love the color. Gonna turn it around. Here is the wig in the packaging. Gonna go ahead and open it. So here's the wig right out of the package. In the front, the packaging says fashion. This wig does have the cardboard cutout to keep the wig shape. Inside the wig, it does have the paper. I'm gonna go ahead and take the netting off. There's the wig right here. You can see this also has a scalp. This is in a 1, and look at how long this is. You guys know I love my long wigs. I'm so excited. This is super wavy and curly. I'm absolutely loving it. And as you guys can see, let's see the inside. It does have the combs at the top. There's 1 comb, 2 combs, and then at the bottom there is the adjustable strap right here and right here. So like I always say, you can adjust it to your head size. I love that this is not super straight. It's straight at the top. Like the bottom has these really pretty waves. Gorgeous. As always, this is heat resistant, so if you don't like how it comes with these waves, you can straighten it to be like bone straight. Or if you guys want the big barrel curls and you don't like these small waves, you can curl it to get bigger. I do like it how it is right now. You guys know me, I love when hair is already styled. The bang is already placed for me. It does have a middle part right here. You can see the scalp. And I just think how it is perfect. I'm a get up and go type of girl, so I love when the wigs are already done like this. I think it's perfect. So as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. All the details for the wig will be in the description box. Always make sure to come back to my channel to see future uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.